everyone, welcome to Geotechnocrats once again. In today's session, we will see that how you can create DEM, that is Digital Elevation Model from Google Earth. Although there are many websites which provide freely available DEM data, but this is a new and innovative way of creating DEM from Google Earth. Along with ArcGIS, Google Earth Pro, you need one more software, that is TCX Converter. So the link to download this software is available in the description of this video. So now let us see that how you can do that.
Okay, so launch your Google Earth application. For example, this is my area of interest. I want to create DEM for this. Use add path tool and save path with location name. And now you have to mark your elevation environment. Now mark create as many points as you can in your elevation environment. I'm just trying to cover up the entire area of interest and creating the elevation points. More will be the elevation points, better will be the accuracy of the DEM created. So here I'm preparing my elevation environment. Okay, so I'm almost done. You can even zoom into the image and create as many as you want. Okay, so I'm almost done. So once you're done with the elevation environment, just click on OK. Go to the saved path in My Place tab and right click to save as KMZ file in your project folder. So I'm saving it as KMZ file here. So it's saved now. Now open your web browser and input the URL gpsvisualizer.com. The URL is given in the description of this video also. Now browse the KMZ save file. This is the KMZ save file, so I'm just browsing it here and click on convert and add elevation. It will compute a GPX file. So here is a GPX file. Now just download this computed GPX file to your system. So it's downloaded. So once it's downloaded, now you have to run the TCX Converter software. The link to download this software is given in the description of this video. So run the TCX Converter software, browse and open your GPX file. So that was saved in my downloads. Okay, so it's processing, you can see, and the elevation or the altitudes for all the points. You can see the altitudes for all the points here. So once the processing is complete, after that you have to save it as a CSV file. So just save it as the CSV file to your project folder. You can change the name of the file. So I have to change it to DEM points and select the folder. Save. Now you have to click no. Okay, now once it is saved, now run your ArcGIS. Click on file, add data, add XY data, and here you will select that CSV file which we have saved. Yes. So you'll find the lat long, and here is the projection. If the projection is not there, you can add it. Now it will ask you object ID, say OK. So here are the points, the elevation points, and if you see the attribute table for this, you can see that the altitude field is there, So here is the altitude field, and with the help of this altitude field we will interpolate it now, and we'll create an interpolated map which can be used as DEM. For that, go to Arc Toolbox, click on Spatial Analysis tool, Interpolation, IDW. So here is the IDW window. In input feature, you have to select this DEM point.csv events. It's a temporary file. If you want to save it as a shapefile, you can save it also. You just right click data and export data, and you can save it as a shapefile. In Z field, you have to select the altitude. In output raster, you have to select the path where you want to save your file, your output raster file. So just select the name .img if you want to save it in img, or you can also save it in tiff.tiff. Okay, so it is processing. It will give you an interpolated map with the values of altitude, and that can be used as a DEM. So this is how you can create DEM using Google Earth, and this kind of DEM data can be used by the students for learning purposes. Whereas for research purposes, you need even higher resolution data. So in my next video, I will tell you that how you can download freely available high resolution DEM data, and for approximately 12.5 meter resolution data. Okay, so here is the interpolated map. You can change the symbology of the map. You can change the ramp if you want it in classes, or you want it in stretched form. You can change the color ramp as per your choice, and the DEM is ready. So this was all about creating a DEM from Google Earth. Thank you.